If you're a home buyer out there, you don't want to miss this video. I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why you should never skip the property inspection. So during the pandemic, a lot of buyers did this. They skipped the property inspection. And I want to emphasize a couple things here first, and that is that skipping the inspection is different than waiving the inspection contingency. So a lot of the buyers during the pandemic made the mistake of doing both. They waived the inspection contingency to make their offer more attractive, which does kind of make sense. The problem was they also skipped doing the inspection altogether. And even if you have waived the inspection contingency, you're going to accept the home, however it is, as is. It's still helpful to know what issues might be present in that home you're about to purchase. And so I would always recommend doing the home inspection regardless of whether you're waiving the inspection contingency. But that's a real difference there. So one of the reasons why you should never waive it is uncover hidden issues. When you're walking around a house and you're walking around a house with your realtor, certainly your realtor's looking for certain things. I know I'm looking for stains on the ceilings or on a carpet, floorboards, things like that. Looking for the age of the AC unit and things like that. You're looking to see if the house is going to work for you, but there's a lot of things that are hidden that you can't tell when you're doing a walkthrough of a home. And so a home inspection can uncover a lot of those hidden issues for you, such as whether or not there are some structural issues or electrical issues or plumbing issues that might need to be addressed. And some of those issues can be really, really expensive, costing you thousands of dollars. So it's helpful to know that up front before you ultimately are committed to that home. It may help you negotiate a better deal. If there are a number of hidden issues that are expensive, you may be able to get the seller to drop their asking price or their contract price to help negotiate and take care of those repairs. So that's an important reason. If you don't do the inspection, you have no room to negotiate on potential repairs or maintenance issues that may be on the horizon. Number 3 is you'll gain some peace of mind. You've had a good home inspection by a qualified home inspector, and they outline what issues that home has from their perspective. That may really help you feel more comfortable with your home purchase. Maybe there's a few minor things, maybe there's not much at all, maybe there are a bunch of things but they're all manageable or things you can do yourself. That would just give you peace of mind as you move towards closing the deal. Another thing that can happen is with a home inspection is it ensures safety and compliance. You always want to make sure safety is your number one priority when you purchase a home. And so a home inspection, a good home inspector is going to identify any safety hazards that may be present that you need to be aware of that could need to be addressed right away, like roof issues or faulty wiring, or even mold infestation. So when you have a home inspection, you can rest assured that those issues are hopefully being addressed. And then finally, you can enjoy long-term savings. While it is an added expense up front, usually costing in this area $450 or so, it actually saves you money in the long run, because if you know what issues are coming, either you can negotiate them from the seller, or at least to save for them to take care of them when they have become more prominent and need to be done right away. So I hope these few tips on why it's important not to skip the home inspection are helpful. If I can help you in Central Florida buy or sell a home, I would love to help. Remember, you can't miss with Chris. Have a great day, everybody.